9, 10.
Yeah.
Blake, where is the yo-yo? Good. Where is the ice cream? Good. Bless you.
Yeah.
Yo-yo. Where is the cake? That's ice cream. Where's cake? Yes. Where is the yarn? You see the yarn? Right. Where is the ball? Where's the ball? Good. Where's the TV? Good. Where's the goat? Right. Where's the xylophone? It has lots of colors. The xylophone. Very good. Where is the duck? What is this?
Yeah.
Good job. Where is the TV? Very good, Blake.
Good job, guy.
Where's the yo-yo? What is that?
Yeah.
Say yo-yo.
See.
Can you say ice cream?
Alpha.
Can you say goat?
Yeah.
Can you say duck?
Yeah.
Can you say socks?
Yeah.
So tired of learning.
He's gonna take a little nap.
I'm gonna walk to the book.